Hey guys, very quick video. It's well after closing and I should be out of here. I got delayed. I'll explain why either later in this video or in another video. SMC is still here, Hunter's still here. That went out today. That went out today. These are still here. Went out today, still here. Went out today and I did not have time to change the light. Doing the video very quick because I'm supposed to be out of here and I'm sure Greg would like me to be out of here. Nothing different over there. Yeah. Don't think anything's different over there. Don't think there's anything. We just pretty much made it through. I changed the remote receiver on this, but it's a longer story and I'll do it in a separate video because I am rushing.